Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I will discuss about all the details about LifterLMS assignment, how your student can complete the assignment, how you can create the assignment, and what type of assignments LifterLMS offers. So in LifterLMS, we offer three types of assignments. First one is task list, essay type, and upload type option. So in this video, I'll show you all the options that are available in LifterLMS. And LifterLMS assignment feature is available in the Infinity Bundle. Also, you can go with the LifterLMS assignment add-on. Here is the add-on. You can purchase this assignment add-on. So after purchasing the LifterLMS assignment, we have to add the license on our LifterLMS website. So if you have the Infinity Bundle or assignment add-on, you have to visit now LifterLMS and add-ons and more to add the license key. So from this My License Key, you can add your license key. And here is the assignments add-on. You have to just install and activate it. And now I will show you that how you can create the assignment for your students in your LifterLMS website. First, we have to visit courses and courses. And then we have to select a specific course where we want to add our assignment. So I will choose this course and then we have to click on Builder. And in each lesson, we can add the assignment. We have to just click on Add Assignment. Then we have to click on Create New Assignment. And here we have the video embed URL. If you want, you can add video and audio in your lesson. And here we have the assignment types. We have to choose a specific type we want to add. So the first, I will show you the task list assignment. So here we can add task where a student will complete each task and they will submit it or they will mark that the task is completed. So I'm adding some random task for my students. You have to just click on Add Task and you will be able to add the task. And after adding all the tasks, we have to publish this assignment. We have to click on Published, and with this arrow, we can add the assignment weight. Now, if I view this lesson as a student, I will be able to complete this assignment. So here is the lesson, and here we have the assignment button. We have to click on Start Assignment as a student. Here is the assignment task. So now as a student, I will complete all the tasks and I will mark this complete. And after that, I can submit the assignment. I have to click on Submit the Assignment to submit this task assignment. So this is automated graded assignment. And now I will show you that how you can use the essay type of assignment. So in the same process, you have to publish the assignment. Then we can add the minimum word count or maximum word count for the essay type assignment. You can also add the assignment weight and passing percentage. And now if I view this lesson, I will see a essay type assignment. So if I click on Start Assignment, I will be able to add my text here. So I can add all my content and the maximum word count is 100. After adding the content, I have to click on Submit Assignment. And this assignment is pending because the essay type assignment needs to manually grade it from the backend. So admin or teacher can manually grade this assignment from the backend. And now the next is Upload Type Assignment. So we have to select Upload Type Assignment. And here we can restrict file types. If you don't want any specific file types, you can restrict the file types. But I don't want to restrict any file types. And I will publish this. And I will view and I will complete the assignment as a student. So now I will upload a PDF file for my assignments. You can upload video and all others file. Now I have to click on submit assignment, and it's also pending review. So essay and upload file type assignment need to manually grade it from the backend. So now I will show you as admin and as a teacher how you can grade the assignment for your students. First, we have to visit LifterLMS and reporting. Then we have to visit assignments tab, where we can see all the assignment for our website. And here is the free course lead magnet template where I have added my assignment for my students. So you can see it's highlighted, and in this 3 lesson, I have assignment and my students already submitted this lessons assignments. That's the reason it's highlighted and it's bold. So now I can choose any specific lesson to review the specific lesson assignment. Then we can click on submission, where we can see all the students who already submitted the assignment for my course. So we can see only one student has submitted the assignment. We have to click on ID to grade a specific student's assignment. So here is the submission file. Now we can grade it, and here we can see the marks, the grade. For grading it, we have to click on start a review. Here we can add the remarks, and we can add the grade. So it will be 100%. And now we have to click on save review, and it's done. So this is how you can grade the assignment for your student. You have to follow the same process, and you can see the status is now passed. So this is how you can work with the LifterLMS assignment. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.